High-tech tabay, ako si Jun Tariman. I'm a journalist and a tech blogger at the same time. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about this tablet, although this is already not new because it came out last year, the Galaxy or Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Okay, this is 8 inches tab, and as you can see here, free, not for sale, because this is part of my retention plan, so this is a freebie. Now this gadget is an LTE device, so you can use a SIM card here, and at the same time it has a extra storage up to 32 gigabytes. Okay, so you can put a micro SD card here, but the SIM here is a nano SIM card, so use only a nano SIM card. And this has a huge battery. It has 5,100 milliampere battery, and the front camera here is 8 megapixels. Yes, not the front, the rear. The rear camera is 8 megapixels, and the front camera for selfies is 2 megapixels. It has a 2 gig RAM and storage of 32 gigabytes, and again it's expandable to using a micro SD card. Now what is good in this gadget is this is timely in times of the online classes of students. This is designed for kids. In fact, there are apps here for kids. As you can see here, the logo, the logo of the Lego, and this is it has an app called Kids Home. So this is appropriate for children. They can use this gadget for their classes, okay, and also gaming and entertainment. Last year it was sold about 10,000 pesos. So we'll try to open this one. Stickers. So this is the device. I'll open that later. This is the manual. There are manuals here, warranty cards, warranty guides, and the quick guides. And it has also the ejection pin for the SIM card slot. Okay, cable for charging, and the charger here. Okay, there's no headset or headphone here because this is not a cell phone. Although it's handy because I can just hold this using my one hand. Okay, like that. So this is black. So it has this front camera here, and it also his earpiece. Aside from the earpiece, it has two speakers down here because this is a stereo, and the multi-purpose jack here. The rear camera is over here, the 8 megapixels camera. The power key is on the side with the volume rocker here. The SIM card slot is here on the left side or right side or left side if you are facing the unit. Okay, so I'll open this one. I'll try to connect this with the Wi-Fi and check the contents and programs inside this tablet.